Greetings and welcome to this virtual tour of PSS CIV Bhopal. Pandit Sundarlal Sharma, Central Institute of Vocational Education, is a constituent unit of National Council of Educational Research and Training NCERT under Ministry of Education, Government of India. The PSS CIVE is located on the beautiful panoramic Shamla Hills in Bhopal, the city of lakes and the capital of the state of Madhya Pradesh, boasting of enchanting view of the Satpura hill range and the cultural ethos that speaks of simplistic living amidst nature and harmony. Madhya Pradesh is a land of sublime natural beauty and serene spirituality and is situated in the heart of India. The institute has a lush green campus spread over 35 acres with excellent landscaping, beautiful accessible architecture in its zenith, and is equipped with facilities at par with international standards. The institute is also a network center of UNESCO Univoc International Center for Technical and Vocational Education and Training, Bonn, Germany. The important functions of PSS-CIVE are assisting and advising the central and state governments for qualitative improvement in vocational education and training, and are carried out under the resourceful and effective leadership of the Joint Director. Research, development, training, and extension of vocational education at school level are carried out by the 6 major departments and 4 centers located in the campus. Programs and study materials in agriculture and related fields are developed by the Department of Agriculture and Animal Husbandry. The laboratory located in the department is endowed with all the necessary equipment for training teachers in agriculture subjects. The Department of Business and Commerce deals with retail, banking, finance, insurance, and logistics sectors. The laboratory position in the department has all the necessary facilities to impart training on the latest courses in the retail sector. The Department of Health and Paramedical Sciences carries out the development work of courses related to the skilled manpower in the middle level. The laboratory built in the department has all the necessary equipment and instruments for training the teachers related to nursing. The Department of Engineering and Technology deals with the development of courses in sectors like automotive, plumbing, telecom, and media. A state-of-the-art laboratory equipped with necessary equipment and machines is established in the department for training the teachers on courses related to automotive sector. Department of Home Science and Hospitality Management is involved in the development of curriculum and course material related to apparel, tourism, and hospitality and food processing. A laboratory has been set up in the department to impart training to teachers of apparel and food processing subjects. Department of Humanities, Science, Education and Research develops curriculum and course material in the field of entrepreneurship development, beauty and wellness, and yoga. It also undertakes teacher training programs at regional as well as national level. Orientation program is also conducted for the key functionaries and capacity building of key resource persons. The department also conducts the unique Diploma in Vocational Education and Training program. The administrative block is built with ultra-modern features to facilitate work efficiency. It includes establishment section, campus and welfare section, central store, account section, and program planning and monitoring center. All the officers and employees work together in these well-equipped sections. The institute has also set up Center for Curriculum Development and Evaluation, Center for International Relations, and Center for Information and Communication Technology for additional specialized assistance in academic work. A fully equipped modern auditorium, Ninad, with a sitting capacity of 330 persons, has been built in the institute for conducting larger events such as national and international conferences. All the departments of the institute have smart classrooms and boardrooms to carry out the programs like teaching, training, and workshops. It is well equipped with necessary equipment for internet, Wi-Fi, audio-video, and sound facilities. The latest LED and modern projection systems are also available in the seminar hall of the institute. The institute library is rich in all the published and unpublished materials. The library collection includes books, periodicals, newspapers, manuscripts, films, maps, prints, documents, microform, CDs, cassettes, videotapes, DVDs, Blu-ray discs, e-books, audiobooks, databases, and other formats. The guest house of the institute has 11 well-furnished, air-conditioned rooms with dining facility. Similarly, the training hostel of the institute has 30 air-conditioned rooms with canteen and Wi-Fi facility to accommodate 60 persons is available. The entire institute campus is endowed with 24/7 Wi-Fi facilities and security systems. CCTV cameras are installed at every corner in all the buildings to strengthen the security of the campus. Overall, the PSSCIB Institute campus is well equipped with all the essential facilities and is capable of successfully performing all kinds of academic work more effectively and professionally. Continuous efforts are being made to convert the institute campus into a complete green campus in terms of water, power, and waste management. I welcome you all to this great institute to work together towards strengthening vocational education system in the country.